Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the various operations in Python. And basically, these operations are the mathematical operations that you are already aware of. So there are few things that are new for the Python. So we are going to discuss that one in this one. So plus, minus, and asterisk, you know that this is addition, subtraction, and this is multiplication. No need to tell about them. Let's start with this division in the Python. So suppose I declare some variable a is equal to 10. This is the integer, and b is equal to 2. This is also an integer. Okay. Now I'm going to print, or just do like this, a divided by b. Let's see what comes out to be. So we are expecting that it should be 2, 10 divided by 2, which is 5. But let's see what result we get. We will get 5, but it will be, a floating point number, right? You can see here it is 5.0 which has come. Okay, so the result will come as 5.0. Okay, so in case of Python, this gives the true division. Okay, but if you want to see the floor division, just like in any other programming language, then you can do something like this: a divided, double divided by 2. Then you can print it here. Okay, print, and you can see like a double divided by b. So this is floor division. I'm saying it double divided, but it is not the correct thing. I'm just, kind of kidding here, but yes, it's floor division. Always call it floor division. Okay, so let me run it. And now in the second time, you can see it's only 5. Okay, so if I do something like this, rather than b being, 2, I make it 3, then what will be the output? So you can see the first output is 3.3333 and blah blah blah. And then when I do the floor division, then it's like 3 threes are 9. So it will only display the exponent part, not the remainder. Not the remainder. Okay. So it will only tell me this integer part, which is the quotient. Okay, so this is the difference between the floor division and the true division. So this is the true division operator, and this is the floor division operator. You need to remember about these two operators, how they work. And this you already know. Maybe you are aware about other programming languages. Then in that case, you might be aware that this is used to give you the remainder when you, divide some number by other number. So if I do something like this, print 10 percentile 3, and if I print it, then I guess you know what will be the output. So it should be 1, because when you divide 10 by 3, then the remainder that will come out to be is 1. So let's run it and let's see. The first output, the second output, and the third output, which we did right now, is 1, which is the remainder when I divide 10 by 3. Okay, so the other operator is here. You might have seen the single asterisk operator, which was used for the multiplication of the two numbers. But when you use the exponentiation operator, which is the double asterisk operator, then in that case, what happens that it basically raises some number to some power. Okay, so if suppose if I want to raise 2 to the power of 3, then what I will do something like this: 2 double asterisk and then 3. It means what it means: 2 raised to the power of 3. So that will be the main thing here. Okay, so let's see what happens here. You can see it came out to be 8. So it's like 2 raised to the power 3, which means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. Okay, so 2 to the 4 to the 8. So that will be the output. Okay, so that's how it works. So I hope you are aware about the, now you have become aware about the exponentiation operator. So these are the new operators that this double asterisk, this floor division, which is this is the one is the exponentiation. So these are the some of the new operators that have been given in the Python. Okay. So before we close, let's see the precedence of the operators. So you might have heard about the BOD mass rules. how to, decide which operation will be performed first. Similarly, we have the paid mass rule. Okay. P for parenthesis. So first of all, the parenthesis will be, calculated, then the exponentiation, E for exponentiation, and then D for division, and then M multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So here are the four lines you can see from line number 21 to 24. This one has the highest precedence. This one exponentiation is the second precedence, and then asterisk, true division, flow division, and remainder, all these things have the next precedence, and the plus minus, which means the addition and subtraction, has the last precedence. So I hope you might have understood these new operators along with the other operators. Just for the sake of understanding, we completed all the operators in this one, and as soon as we move along with this course, we will be using these operators again and again, and the things will become more clear to you as we move along. So have a nice day, and bye bye.